Welcome back. Today we are in the gym. Now, I know some of you will have access to the gym, some of you won't. It doesn't matter. Today we're going over a resistance exercise where you can be using body weight, as in no extra equipment. And I'm also going to show you the version using barbell and bench. It is the bench press, which is the equivalent of the press up or push up. Those two words, by the way, mean exactly the same thing, same exercise. This is again an exercise that I'd like you to record, and again using the principles of recording it every second day to give the muscles a rest to recuperate and get stronger for the next time that you train. If you were to train the same muscles every day, you wouldn't be making any progress because you're not giving the muscles time to recuperate and get stronger. As far as sets and repetitions go, we have a target of 12 reps. Upper range is 12 repetitions. If you are doing the push-up, whichever version of it you're doing, I'm going to show you two of them, you just need to do the one set and do as many as you can. The first one is the half push-up on the knees, the second one is the full push-up with the knees off the floor. If you have access to the equipment, then once you can get 12 repetitions from a full press-up, it's probably time to progress to weights. And also, I should say, it could be dumbbells as well as barbell. I'm just going to show you the barbell version, but you can use dumbbells as well. So if you progress to dumbbells, or if you have access to dumbbells and barbells, let's aim for 3 to 4 sets. I'll give you that scope, either 3 or 4. The first one should be a warm-up. That means a light weight. You're not exerting the body overly, you're simply moving the joints, getting them prepared and ready for the progressive sets after that. And then each set you do, you add a little bit of weight. If it's a bar, perhaps 5 kilograms, maybe 2.5 on each side. If it's dumbbells, just a small increment jump, again 2.5 to 5 kilograms. The final set should be a weight that's challenging. The upper range is 12 repetitions. If you're not familiar with the weights, you could be trying that final set. If you can do 12 repetitions, that means the next time you come in, the next time you use this exercise in a couple of days' time, you could try increasing the weight. So you just shift all of those sets up a weight, even the warm-up. And that's progressive resistance in a nutshell. Okay, so let's get on to the actual exercises. I'm going to show you them in succession. I'm going to do a push-up. You can see that on the screen, and then I'll move a bench over and I'll show you the bench press, okay? So the first one, the half push-up with the knees on the floor. Remember that you breathe in on the way down, you breathe out on the way up. Now the body doesn't need to connect with the ground, just lightly or just hovering slightly above it. So breathe in, breathe out. Full version of it with the knees off the floor. Okay, once you've got your target number of repetitions on that full version of it, we can progress to the bench press. That's what I'm going to show you now. I'm just going to move this bench over. Okay, so breathing in as you lower the bar, breathing out as you push it back up. And there you have it. That is pretty much the same exercise equivalence between push-up, press-up and bench press. The muscles it's working, the muscles on the chest, the front of the body, front part of the shoulders, back of the arms and triceps. It's a pushing movement. So have a go, whichever of those versions that you're doing. If you don't have any equipment, that's fine. You're doing push-up, either half or full push-up. If you don't have access to equipment and you can do a full push-up with ease, you can push beyond 12 repetitions. Let's do as many as you can. We just want to see the progression within the time that we have. Best of luck, and I'll see you again soon.